How to fix CAA50024 error in Microsoft Teams. The CAA50024 error in Microsoft Teams usually occurs when there is an issue with the Microsoft Teams server or when the app is not updated to the latest version. Here are some steps that you can try to fix this error. 1. Check Microsoft Teams server status. Before trying any other troubleshooting steps, it is always a good idea to check if the Microsoft Teams server is down. You can check the status of the server on the Microsoft 365 service status page. 2. Update Microsoft Teams. Make sure that you have the latest version of Microsoft Teams installed on your device. You can check for updates by clicking on your profile picture in the Microsoft Teams app and then selecting Check for Updates. 3. Clear Microsoft Teams cache. Clearing the Microsoft Teams cache can help resolve issues with the app. To do this, close the Microsoft Teams app, then press Windows key plus R and type %of/Microsoft/Teams in the Run dialog box. This will open the Teams folder. Delete all the files and folders in this folder except for the data folder. 4. Disable third-party antivirus. If you are using a third-party antivirus program, try disabling it temporarily and check if the issue is resolved. 5. Disable VPN. If you are using a VPN, try disabling it temporarily and check if the issue is resolved. 6. Uninstall then reinstall Microsoft Teams. If none of the above steps work, try uninstalling and then reinstalling Microsoft Teams. 7. If you are one member of some organization/school, try stop allowing your organization/school to manage your device. Ask your IT admin to assign you a valid Intune license. Ask our IT admin to remove you from the MDM-related security group. Ensure the MDM terms of use URL address is set correctly. Hopefully, one of these steps will help you fix the CAA50024 error in Microsoft Teams.